Wait a minute. Are you considering selling your home? It is a whole lot more than just putting a stupid for sale sign in your yard. I have 10 things that are gonna save you time, save you money, and most of all, it's gonna save your sanity. Before you even begin to find out about selling your home and everything that goes into it, the very first thing that you need to do is find out exactly how much money you're actually gonna walk away with. Here's what I mean. Get yourself a seller net sheet. On the seller net sheet, it's gonna break down commissions, it's gonna break down the price of your house, it's gonna break down property transfer taxes, it's gonna break down every single thing you need to know, moving expenses, etc. So that when you do sell your house for whatever price, you know specifically, bottom line, how much money you're gonna have in your pocket. How about like going to your closet, getting rid of a bunch of old shirts that you never wear, like this cowboy Jim right here. A, it's not in style anymore, and B, I just don't fit in anymore. It happens. Now, how about your curb appeal? Does your front yard look like a train wreck, or does it have at least some clean lines like this? Does it look like that, or does it look like this? How about things like lipstick repairs? I call them lipstick repairs because, well, that's what they are. They're just covering up a potential issue and takes away a question in the buyer's mind. For example, on first glance, you might take a look at this paint warping and think, moisture, there's been a leak, there's a problem. The truth of the matter is, we're in a laundry room right now, and this is just because of high humidity. All I have to do, take that off, strip it, repaint it, no problem.
But wait, there's more!
Now, if there really is a leak or if there really is a problem, you certainly need to disclose it. Another thing is your hallway. Does your hallway have clean, open, wide space lines like this, or does it look like this? You see, we all love our kids. We all love having our personal photos up. The problem is, buyers don't care. They want to envision what their family's going to look like on the walls, not yours. Now, if you click the link at the bottom of this video, what you're going to see is the remainder of the seller checklist, which is going to give you all the rest of the do's and the don'ts about getting your home ready for sale. And also, click on a couple of the links that are at the bottom of the email, because in those is exactly how we market, how we advertise for all of our properties, regardless of price. Feel free to reach out anytime. Thanks for watching.